Hello, today we are going to explore how to turn our PPT presentation into a video. Maybe you know it, maybe not. Let's explore it together. For this purpose, I use the program which is called Powtoon. You can find it in the search engine by entering the word Powtoon. It redirects me to the start page. It says Powtoon #1 video creation tool. If you don't have an account here, you have to get to register with the Get Started button, where you enter your name, your email address, or sign up with Google. I have an account on this page, so I will go to log in, and I log in using my Google account. The program redirects me to the start page where I can find different templates. I need the left side bar where I go to Import button. If you press it, you will see the button with Import PPT. So I press it. I upload a ready-made PPT from my computer. Let's make it this one, and then I wait. So it takes a few minutes till my PPT is turned into a film with a video. Of course, it can take time if the presentation is rather long, but here it is. It's ready for viewing. And then I can press the button and enjoy it. So your video is ready, and you can find it in the toolbox on the right. What you can do is to edit it if you want, or to share a link and let everyone enjoy it as you do. Thank you.